At the Executive Learning Lab on May 7th, Greg showed us how we can start seeing real value from AI without needing a massive tech overhaul.
I don't ever hear anybody in this space say I have too many people. And so that's, I think, where AI can really make a move. Because it's not here to replace people, but it's to remove friction from doing the work that matters.
He shared how AI can lift the burden of repetitive tasks and give staff more time to build stronger connections with their communities.
AI doesn't make your team obsolete. It's about, like everybody's been saying, it's about making it less of a grind. About making it less boring. Because every hour that you save is an hour where you get to do things that matter to you.
Beyond explaining AI terms so people could understand the jargon, Greg also brought the technology to life with real examples, like how the Red Cross used AI during the Lahaina wildfires to drive real-time, life-saving decisions.
They were able to use AI to quickly map and assess damages, direct resources, direct help, and they were able to do that in 4 hours. With 97% accuracy. And if you go through and actually read the study that's linked, they would have estimated it would have taken 2 or 3 weeks for humans to do that. So that's a real world benefit.
To help leaders take the next step, Greg handed out practical tools, homework assignments, AI checklists, and prompts that people could adapt and use right away.
Right, like on questions you're asking all the time. Spend a little time and come up with a prompt that's going to get you a repeatedly good answer.
Greg emphasized that AI isn't just a time saver. It boosts team morale and helps associations cut costs, making the investment in AI tools well worth it.
Every person on your team, a personal assistant that they could have with them 24/7 and help them all day, every day for $20 a month. Would you do it? Yeah, I mean, that's crazy. Like, why wouldn't you?
Greg also offered a clear playbook to help leaders guide their teams through AI adoption with confidence.
They'll follow what you're doing from a high level. If you are not on board, they will not be on board, and it won't.
And because successful AI integration involves people, he shared tips on how to build an AI-ready culture from the ground up.
I think that culture of curiosity, right? That culture of experimentation. Permission to try to do something. I think it's really important that we don't wait for the perfect plan or the polished pilot. That's so often that happens, is it's not quite there. But the truth is, the longer you wait, the harder it is to lead.
From specific AI tool recommendations and a 3-phase roadmap for implementation, Greg's session was packed with takeaways to help associations move forward with clarity and momentum.